To work properly, the commercial bracket needs to be lubricated. Greasing the rod will make your installation run smoother and will also help prevent binding and seizing. We recommend using white lithium grease. It's an inexpensive product that you can find at most hardware stores. You can buy it in a spray or a paste. We recommend the paste. In our experience, the paste is the only option that works. Let's take a closer look at how to apply the grease. Because this can be a messy process, I have on hand disposable gloves and shop towels. I'll move these so they'll be out of my way while I work. I also have white lithium grease. I'm going to start by applying the grease to the very end of the rod. This is the part that will initially be covered by the nuts. It's important to do this so the nuts have proper lubrication and will have a smooth start. Spinning the rod will help get the grease into all of the grooves. When I'm satisfied with the coverage, I'll go ahead and spin down the nuts. Some of the grease will build up on the nut and that can be wiped away. I'm actually going to add a little more grease as I'm not satisfied with the original amount of coverage. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'll apply the grease just as before, ensuring complete coverage. With that done, I'll spin down the nut so it sits next to the other. With the nuts now at the end of the rod and the remainder of the rod exposed, I'll add grease liberally. I'll start by running a bead of grease down the length of the rod, then, turning the rod, I'll add another bead of grease. I'll repeat this process, working my way around the entire rod, making sure to be liberal in my application. I can always add more later, but this is a good start. I'll speed this portion up so you don't have to watch the process in real time. I'm simply using my finger to spread the grease around. You'll notice there's no real science here. I'm just making sure to get the grease over all of the threads and into all of the grooves. Came up a little short, so I'm going to add a little more grease. It's also worth noting that you don't need to apply grease to the portion of the threaded rod that is inside the sleeve on top of the plate. This area will never be able to receive the nuts and so doesn't need lubrication. With a few finishing touches, I'm satisfied with my work. This commercial bracket is now ready for installation.